Members of the University of Florida community strongly believe in first-generation college students and their ability to be successful Gators. The Machen Florida Opportunity Scholarship, or MFOS, assists historically low-income first-generation college students in meeting their college costs. First-generation college is defined as a student whose parents or legal guardians have not earned a bachelor's degree. There are a limited number of scholarships available. To be considered for the Machen Florida Opportunity Scholarship, students must complete all sections of the MFOS Supplemental form by April 15, 2019. To complete the MFOS Supplemental form, log in with your GatorLink username and password at one.uf.edu. In the new menu that appears, scroll to your to-do items. Under the FinAid menu, look for the MFOS Supplemental application. Click the down arrow to expand and access the form. A new window will appear with the MFOS Supplemental information form. Please make sure pop-up blockers are disabled on the browser you are using. At the top of your application, review your address. If what appears is not your physical address, click the No button. You will need to enter your current physical address. If the address listed is your physical address, simply click the Yes button. Next, select the statement that best applies to your current situation. Enter your total number of parents or legal guardians. Enter information for the first parent or guardian. Select a relationship from the drop-down menu. You will need to enter an occupation for your parent or guardian. If your parent or guardian is unemployed or disabled, simply type that in the occupation box. Enter the parent or legal guardian's annual income. If unemployed, enter 0. Click the plus button if you need to add another parent or legal guardian. You should include all parents and/or legal guardians. Include the highest known education level for all parents. This will include birth parents, whether you live with the parent or not, and any step-parents. Also include occupation/employment information for all parents. This will include birth parents, whether living with the parent or not, and any step-parents. Include the highest known education level and occupation/employment information for all parents. This will include birth parents, whether living with the parent or not, and any step-parents. Enter the number of individuals in your household. Next, answer the questions about your parents' or legal guardian's assets. You will need to respond to questions about your financial situation. If you have received assistance from a State of Florida aid program, you will need to provide the program name in the text box. Indicate in whose home you reside. If you live with both parents listed in the drop-down box, just pick one of them. If your parents or legal guardians rent their home, you will need to provide the monthly amount they pay in rent. If your parents or legal guardians own their home, enter the original purchase price of the home, the year they purchased it, the current monthly mortgage payment, and current home value. If they do not have a monthly mortgage payment because the mortgage has been paid off, enter 1.00 in this field. If the home is in foreclosure, enter what the monthly payment amount was prior to the foreclosure. Below, list all sources of income for your parents' or guardian's household. Use the plus symbol to add as many lines as you need to document their income. List all sources of financial expenses for your parents' or guardian's household. Add as many rows as you need to document their financial situation. You will need to submit some supporting documentation. The drop-down box will list all items that you will need to submit to complete your application. All applicants must submit a short answer, less than 250 words, describing what being the first in their family to attend college means to them, and how they will use this opportunity to give back to the community. If you believe you have special circumstances that are not addressed by the application, you can submit a statement about your family's situation. If you are required to submit documentation of your current home, you can submit your most recent statement from your county tax appraiser. If you do not have that statement, you can visit your county's tax appraiser website to access it electronically. If you are required to submit a parent or guardian signature form, print the signature page using the link above the box. Review the application with your parent or guardian, then have them sign the document. You will need to upload the signature form along with any other required supporting documents. To upload documents, select a document type from the drop-down menu and select Attach Documents. A new window will appear. At the top left, select the up arrow to upload documents. Drag your file onto the window or use the Choose File button to select a document to upload. Click Import. If you need to upload another document, you will repeat this process. When you have completed uploading all your documents, select Exit in the upper right-hand corner. Incomplete forms will not be considered. After the form is complete and all required documents are uploaded, select Submit. If you have any questions or need to make changes after submitting the MFOS supplemental form, visit www.sfa.ufl.edu/help.